What to do at the airport when traveling abroad for the first time. 1. Arrive at the airport at least 3 hours before your international flight. Keep your passport, visa, and ticket ready and organized. 2. Check in your luggage. Go to your airline's check-in counter. Show your passport and ticket to get your boarding pass. Hand over your checked baggage. Follow the airline's weight limit. Keep your carry-on bag with you. 3. Immigration check. Present your passport and boarding pass to the immigration officer. They may ask a few questions like where are you traveling? Why are you going? How long will you stay? Answer politely and confidently. 4. Security check. Put your bags on the scanner belt. Walk through the metal detector. Place your laptop, phone, wallet in separate trays. Avoid carrying sharp objects or large liquid bottles. Find your boarding gate. Your gate number and boarding time are written on the boarding pass. Check the airport screens in case the gate changes. Go to your gate on time and wait for boarding. 6. Boarding the plane. Scan your boarding pass and enter the plane. Sit in your assigned seat and fasten your seatbelt. Listen carefully to the cabin crew's safety instructions. 7. After arrival, go through immigration at your destination. Collect your checked luggage from the baggage belt. Pass through customs, then exit the airport. Extra tips: always keep your passport with you. Save copies of your passport and ticket on your phone. Pay attention to boarding announcements. Stay calm, polite, and confident throughout. Thank you.